it's Freddy here. We're gonna continue Chipper and Sons Lumber Company. Okay, yeah, we have to make a totem or tower for the frogs. We need 5 moss lumber and 2 seaweed. Okay, take down this tree. Sorry, my stomach is rumbling. I'm hungry, but I have to wait. Okay, let's fall down here. Beep. And nobody wants to talk to me. Okay, good. I'm sad and alone. Again. Okay. Check on our whale friends to see if we can get some seaweed. Buddy, I need the seaweed. Okay, no one wants to talk today. I wonder what their problem is. Okay. And I just noticed. Oh, haha, they left another trap. I wonder if I'll ever get past it once. Okay, well, I guess we have to go through it. We have to check out the frogs. Hi. No, I have to use that for I have to use the wood to make the termite colony. Oh, they have a minigame. Those dicky birds always drop their stuff in the river. Most demands are okay, sure. Minigame. Nobody understands the frog's quests. Dig? What just happened? I don't understand either, so... Tinker! Hi, buddy. How are you doing? Okay, I only have 4. Okay, let's kill this monster. Okay, so we have to make... Oh, there's another minigame. Let's look for the ruby. Okay, it's not there. Okay. When is the minigame madness gonna end? Oh. Found the ruby. I'm impressed. I'll give you a red acorn. Okay. Now, have I ever told you that this music is really relaxing? Okay, come on. See, start with seaweed. Yes, we got some seaweed. We just need 1 more and some mosswood. We got some mosswood, so let's see if we can trade it in. No, we can only do redwood. Okay. Still need that mossy wood. Owl, get some wood from the top of the tree. Even though he doesn't really get to the top of the tree, but let's go back to the beginning. Oh, he gave me something, but I don't know what it was. Okay. We can build another robot right here. 3.0, yeah. Okay, this buddy should give me moss lumber. Oh, I got some moss lumber from Mr. Birdie Man. Okay, so how much are we at? We're at 11. It brought us down some, but we're still up there. Check our whale friends. for here. Okay. Yes, seaweed. Okay, we just need mosswood. No! Kill him. Okay. Redwood. Got some moss lumber. Always great to have some moss lumber around. Okay, well, we finished the day. As an indication on our plants, you see that green question mark? Let's click it, and then we end the day. Okay, things are looking good out there. You'd think us beavers were staging an invasion of some sort. Haha. Concerning invasions, you probably noticed that the termites have slipped some of our own designs into our blueprints. I would recommend building those. I wouldn't recommend building those. I also wouldn't recommend accepting gifts from them, such as gigantic wooden horses. I had a bad experience with that one. Once, actually twice, but the second time it was all pink with brushable hair. I could have just eaten it up. Unless, to say it was a trap, many lives were lost. And they deserved it. I found a date for you. I found her in the thicket, but don't let that scare you. Go clean up. You smell like a brush pile. And we got an acre of land, and we got another plan. Okay. Later that night. Who are we with now? We're with the voodoo stronger than love. I fall in voodoo with you. Okay, that's creepy, but yeah, that's concerning. Which wood? Okay, sure. Now we just need that moss wood. We should have 12. Okay, yep, 12. And a star came out of the sky. Beautiful. Oh, Okay, sure, take this. Yeah. I think he wants to get... Nope, I need the seaweed, buddy. Buddy boy. We can use the redwood here, sure. Be rewarded. I need to make a termite colony. I'm aware of that, and we fell into another trap while I was talking to you. See, look, that's the person. No, that's not the person I went out on the date with, but sure. And we fell, and we probably broke our bones, and we fell so many times in this game. I'm surprised we're still alive. Okay, tiki bird. Sure. I'll take a tiki bird every day. Okay. He wants a wood. Why does he want to sell us a wooden scaffold all the time? Like, buddy, I'm not interested in your wooden scaffolds. Hold on. I think I have an idea. This is my idea. Oh, never mind. It was just completely destroyed. But I think I have... Oh, buddy, I don't want it. Actually, I know what I can do. Oh, it's raining. Okay, let's go. Kill the monsters. Kill them. We got a ruby prism. Oh, that's nice. Father. Okay. We're at 13. Wow, this game goes slow. Okay. Well, this is my theory, guys. I have a theory. But I'm not game theory because that's copyrighted. Die! Okay, straight lumber. Go back one. Kill it. Kill it. Redwood. Trees here. We need to put a dispenser here. Kill him, kill him, kill him. We got some mosswood. Good, we need the mosswood. So let's cut down this tree and let's build a new body. Build a body, build a body, build a body, build a body, build a body. Okay, we're gonna need lots more lumber. Oh, buddy, I didn't even notice you. Die! And we just gotta carve a seagull. And a richwood. Okay. We could always get richwood. Okay. Destroy the trees. Okay, we got some sturdy lumber. Wait, who gives you mossy wood? Oh, a minigame. Okay. Last time we couldn't beat this, but let's try and see. No, we can't. Let's try though. I'm pretty sure we're not gonna make it. No. And I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. You can't make me. That minigame's way too hard. But there's another minigame that we found it was easy. Yay, let's start D. Mushrooms are my favorite thing to eat. I'm sorry. Oh no. I'm sorry people out there that love like pizza and stuff. I love pizza too, but I like mushrooms. But these guys don't look very edible because they have eyes and mouth and they look very derpy from the picture that you can see to the left of the screen. That below fungals. Yeah, below that. That looks like a very derpy mushroom that I do not want to eat. Just look at him. He's begging not to be eaten. No, I didn't pay as much attention. Oh. I'm just gonna do this, okay. Okay, sorry, I'm back. No! We died. Okay, this one should be not hard. I don't know why Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm really focused now, so... Come on. Come on. I need to end the video. Ah. Okay. Ah. You're not catching me by surprise tonight, Jimbo. Ah. Yay, we won! That took some time, but we managed to get through it. Okay. Now let's end the video. And we fell back down again. Okay, that's just beautiful. Well, we supercharge the plants and animals. Hello, buddy. Hey, father. How are you doing? Are you doing good? I know I am. My name's Freddy Fazbear, and I'm a very nice bear that doesn't want to eat your olives and your Kentucky Fried Chicken you were saving for later, Foxy. I'm sorry, okay? Yeah, you better be sorry. Okay. Now, do we could just make a tree and then supercharge it. Supercharge the tree. We're just wasting our supercharge. I don't know why, but we have to. It's for the law. The law of ending the video. So this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.